estate broker. I am here in Deland, Florida. Come right in so I can show you this beautiful home. As you walk in, you can see the tile on the floor. Keep in mind that the front part is where the tile is, on all the other is upgrade as you walk into this beautiful home. And you walk in, as soon as you walk through the front door to the right, you can call that a guest bedroom. In between the guest bedroom and the other bedroom, your child's bedroom, you have a bathroom. Comes with the bathtub, tile all the way up to the ceiling. Nice tall ceiling. And check out those doors, how tall they are. Isn't that awesome? And those are standard. The price of this home is starting out in $258,000. Keep in mind, the more you add to it, the more your price is going to go up. And they're about 12 months out built, so you might be looking at your home being ready about March. Could be ready before, but about March will be good. And here we have your other bedroom, which is a good size bedroom. You're able to fit a queen size bed in there or a full size bed, and still have plenty of room for your nightstand. And here you'll also have a walk-in closet, which is awesome. Walk right out into your foyer. Nice wide foyer, which is awesome, as you can see. And this home is a 4-bedroom home. Come let me show you this other bedroom right over here. That's right off the garage. Right now they're using it as an office, but it is a bedroom because it has the closet. And then right off the bedroom, you have your laundry room. And that's your walk out to your garage. And again, I love how tall those doors are. They're really wide and tall, which is nice. Come right through here as you walk through your foyer. Now we're entering into the open floor plan of your kitchen. Comes with a nice big island. Keep in mind this granite is an upgrade. Nice tall cabinets. And then you have your eating area right off the kitchen. So if you're looking to entertain your family, it is nice, wide and open. And look at this family room, how open it is to the kitchen, where you can entertain while you're cooking. And everyone is in the same space, which is great. Very nicely done.